In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team in Todoist. If you're new to Todoist or you've mostly been using it for your personal tasks, creating a team is a great way to collaborate with co-workers, classmates, or any group you're organizing. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a brand new team space set up and ready to go. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, look towards the upper left area of the screen for your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials or a simple avatar image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Add a Team. This is the entry point for creating a shared workspace in Todoist. Click on Add a Team to begin the setup process. After you click, Todoist will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to help you configure your new team, so don't rush through them. You'll usually start by giving your team a name. Try to choose something clear and recognizable, like your company name, your department, or the specific project you'll be working on together. This makes it easier for everyone to know exactly what this team space is for. Next, you may be asked to choose a plan or review features available for teams. Depending on your needs, you can start with the basic options and always upgrade later if your collaboration grows. Just follow the instructions shown on the screen and confirm your choices as you go. You'll likely see options to invite other people to the team. You can add teammates by entering their email addresses or use the invitation tools provided. Take a moment to think about who actually needs access to this team space, so you keep things organized and relevant. Once you've completed the on-screen prompts, Todoist will create your team workspace. From there, you can start adding projects, assigning tasks, and organizing everything in one shared place. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon, choosing Add a Team, and following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly set up a collaborative team in Todoist and start working together more efficiently.